Hi, Mrs. Whitehead. This is Alan with Y&L Landscaping Company, and I prepared this video to show you the scope of work that I am proposing for your yard. Hopefully, this gives you a pretty clear understanding of how I think we should attack this project. So, you can see in this picture there's somewhat of a swale that generally runs in a semicircle all the way across this way and then out to the street. So from this view, what we're going to do is we're going to bury in this area a dry well. This is a plastic vessel that would collect the water, and the water would then percolate out into the ground around it as the ground could accept it. There's no there's no downward flow in this area to carry the water out to the street, which we can do in parts of this area. So we just make a loop here, and some of the water will go one way and some will go the other way. But on this side, we're going to channel it into the flow well. Or the dry well, actually. And this we will dig a trench that follows this and put a French drain system in that goes around. We can take a look from another angle here, and you can see that from here the dry well would be down in this area, and then the trench would follow on along here, pretty much in the swale, to absorb water so your ground won't be so wet on the surface. And then we would take that out. It would continue on around. We would do another section coming straight back this way for about 30 feet to pick up some of this groundwater that's building up in this whole area. And adjacent to the house, the French drain would end, and then we would continue it on just using a regular 4-inch drain pipe to go out to the street, under the sidewalk, and through the curb, through a curb cut, and drain into the street. Additionally, we would tie in these two downspouts, which are currently dumping water on the side of the house. Not sure if I have let's see if I have a picture from that angle. But we would put a PVC fitting on this downspout and then run it underground through pipes. We would get rid of these pieces of green pipe, and we would get rid of these concrete pieces, and we would run it out to that main drain line, and then run it out to the street. So you would have this drain line coming down this way. We would do a small circle curb cut here, or we would actually cut out a section of this curb, put the pipe through, and then replace the concrete here and repair it. Then we would repair all the turf areas. Of course, have Miss Utility mark for locate utilities, and that should take care of your problems very sufficiently. So please let me know if you have any questions. There is a proposal for you to view linked in this email, and reach out to me with any questions or concerns you might have, and then we can talk about how you'd like to move forward on the project. Thank you.